And oh my god, J Advanced has so much time. It had so much time that I drew 3 houses in the rough note. I painted it, colored it with a pencil or pen, whatever I had. I drew designs over it. I went to the restroom, came back, sat down, looked at the timer, and it said 178 minutes remaining. I was like, what? What?
What's up, boys and girls? I'm Nikhil. A disclaimer before I tell my story. I am not, and I repeat, I am not the right person who can tell you how to score a 1K rank or 2K rank in J Advanced, but I can tell you how to clear this exam. So the day I knew that J Advanced had individual subject cutoff, I had lost complete hope that I even had the slightest amount of chance to clear this exam. So after I got to know this, I was like, I'm not taking part in this J Advanced race. I'll focus only and only on J Mains. And I also told my parents about this, that I have no chance, there is no slight chance of clearing this exam. I told them about this and I told it's wait for my J Mains rank. So me and my parents had a deal. I told them I will not touch my books till my rank of J Mains comes. And what they told was, they told you can do this, but their side of bargain was that take J Advanced as a challenge, clear it. I was like, okay, this and all is not my thing. The result is predetermined. Result will say, sorry, the candidate has failed, but still try. September 4th, J Mains got over. September 11th, Mains rank came. And after seeing the rank, I was like very happy because I knew with home state quota, I would get NIT Trichy, best NIT in India. And also TNEA rank came by that time. It was near about 671 and I knew IT was confirmed in College of Engineering India. I had two great colleges in my hand. Therefore, if I cleared or did not clear J Advanced, it did not make a difference. Now I had 16 days for J Advanced. What I did, went to YouTube, searched strategy for clearing mathematics because I knew physics and chemistry I would manage. I needed mathematics. So I went strategy for mathematics and one YouTuber, he told 3D geometry and vectors are usually asked for 16 marks and usually the subject cutoff would be 12 marks. I was like, okay. Thing was that I knew only 4 chapters in mathematics. One was 3D geometry, second was differential equation, third was statistics and fourth was mathematical reasoning. Statistics and mathematical reasoning are J Mains specific topics, and the moment I touched differential equation J Advanced level, that blew my mind. I understood that moment that differential equation is not my game. I cannot clear the exam with differential equation. I saw 3D geometry questions, they are solvable. So I studied 3D geometry and vectors for mathematics. In case of physics, that came naturally to me, so I studied. And chemistry, the organic, on seeing the previous year questions, the organic was too damn difficult. I told I can't do organic. I went to inorganic, and inorganic required mugging up from several books. I told I can't do that. I'll study the most logical chapters in inorganic. So I took coordination compounds, I took chemical bonding, and I took periodic properties. And mathematics, I believed that guy, and I studied only 3D geometry and vectors. The entire fun was on the day of my examination, 27 September. In the morning, when I was leaving to my examination center, my parents were like, all the best, son, do your exam very well. I was like, okay, I will do it very, very well. Okay, then I went to the examination center, and there, after all the security checks, those formalities, went inside, and the invigilator was like, you will have your rough note on the table. For you in J Mains, they give A4 sheets, right, or paper. Here J Advanced has made a notebook, a notepad like thing, and they told this notebook, you can solve your sums in it. We will not give any extra notebook, and it will be on a table, and you can take it home. First shock. They told you can take it home. This is exactly what I did to motivate myself there. I was like, out of 12 lakh students who write the exam, only 2,50,000 people get the notebook. So I will keep this notebook as my souvenir and show it to people that I got this notebook. Only 2.5 lakh students get this notebook. In fact, just wait a minute. I'll have this notebook somewhere. Yes, here's the notebook. I am not sure whether you can see it. Here's the notebook. And oh my god, J Advanced has so much time. It had so much time that I drew 3 houses in the rough note. I painted it, colored it with the pencil or pen, whatever I had. I drew designs over it. I went to the restroom, came back, sat down, looked at the timer, and it said 178 minutes remaining. I was like, what? 178 minutes still remaining. I looked to my left. To my left was a person I knew. He didn't know me. That guy was a guy. First 5 minutes he solved, and after that, for the next 2 hours and 55 minutes, he was like, his position did not change from this. And the guy to my right, he also solved for the first 5 minutes. And for the next 2 hours and 55 minutes, he just stared at the computer screen like this. And I was looking at these people. That's exactly what I did in the examination hall. Wait, I'll show you the diagram I drew. Wait, I have it. Just wait. If you're able to see, this is one such house that I drew. And yes. 3D geometry came and I scored 4 marks. And next we move on to the second paper. So this is what happened. Again, exam started. Again, to the right side of me was that guy, and behind me was I don't know who he was, but so that room was so silent that you can hear even the mouse clicks. Right? Generally, examination halls are so silent. Wait, I'll just show an example here. So initially the sound was slow mouse clicks, something like this. I hope you're able to hear it. So from this I understood that he was reading the questions. Right? After a point of time, he had read all the questions, and now what we are getting was music. His legs tapping and along with the mouse click, something like this. And after this, second paper of JEE Advanced also got completed. And the result came in another 5 days, I think. It came on October 5th, if I'm right. They told, IIT Delhi had told October 5th, I'm not sure about date. They told 10 a.m. we'll have the result. I went there, logged in, and before the result itself, I've told my mom, either you'll get 2 things on the screen, either it'll be sorry or congratulations. But I told her, be prepared for sorry. Most probably I haven't done anything significant in the examination. So I like, be prepared for the sorry case. You have not qualified for the exam. It said, Nikhil Saivi, congratulations on qualifying JEE Advanced 2020. Displayed my physics mark, my chemistry marks, and my maths marks. My maths mark was 8, cutoff score was 6, 2 marks again, and rank was 15,109. Believe me, my JEE mains rank was 23,000, 23051. From there to JEE Advanced, 15,100. I was like, 7,000 idiots in front of me. Oh my god. And that day was, I think, the most satisfying day of my life. And for those people who are like, hey, this is fake, you made the HTML website, no? I'll display another thing just for you guys. I'm a very HTML website. Before I write any exam, I have 4 things in mind. First thing, be confident. Second thing, don't talk to people before you write your exam, and write your exam in the full screen mode. Third thing, if I don't know any answer, if I'm not 100% sure of whether the answer is right, I will not mark that answer. I will not answer that question. I know each and every one of you have seen the video, how to guess intelligently. Anyways, leave it. That was a waste of time. That's the third point. And fourth point, after you complete your exam, think that most probably you will fail in the exam. If you fail, you already knew it. If you passed, double the joy.